Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you one AI tool that is available in Canva that we can use for creating YouTube thumbnails. Before starting this tutorial, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and hit the like button also. If you want me to create YouTube video on any other topic that you want, just mention that topic in the comment box. So let's jump to the video. So for creating YouTube thumbnail, first open the home page of Canva and then write down YouTube thumbnail here. Okay, so as I am writing YouTube thumbnail and press enter key. Now it will open some templates, but if you want to create YouTube thumbnail according to your requirement, for that you have to insert one media that you want to insert on your thumbnail. So click on insert media and then click on choose file. Okay, the file that is already in your PC and you want to insert that particular picture or image on your thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Select that image, as I am selecting this image, and I'm going to click on open button. Now with the help of this design, it has started to create thumbnails, and the feature that is available in Canva is known as magic design. Okay, so with the help of your hints, your photographs, it will generate thumbnails. So these are some thumbnails that it has generated. I want to insert some text according to my choice, so I will click on headline, and now I am going to write create drawing in Canva. So this is my text that I want to insert with this picture on my thumbnail, and click on add to result. Now it has added that particular text on the thumbnails. Now I'm going to click on this arrow button to see all the thumbnails that it has generated. So I'm just checking. So it has created one animation thumbnail also, but it is a paid one, as I am using the free version, so I will not be able to download that one. So I like this one. I am going to click on this thumbnail, and after that it is providing one option, customize this template. So I'm going to click on this. By using this option, I can change the text, or I can add any new text that I want to display on the thumbnail. As I'm not creating any vlog, so here a text is displaying that is vlog that I don't want to display on my thumbnail. I will going to change this one by clicking on this, and I'm going to write down for free here. I want to increase the size of this particular text, so I'm going to click on this plus button, and it will increase the size of this text. And now I will change the color of this text like this. I want shade of yellow, and I want bright yellow, so I am just checking the bright one, bright yellow, like this. And I'm going to rotate this text, and I'm going to place this text here, and I will add one logo of Canva also. So I'm searching the Canva logo here. So I want photo, so I will click on this one, and I will decrease the size of the logo. I will place it like this. So this is my thumbnail. According to me, this is the sufficient one, and now I'm going to download this. So click on the share button and then click on download button to download this image, which will be in PNG format, and then click on download. It will take 2 or 3 seconds to download, and now you can see that it is displaying here. So this way you can create easy thumbnail with the beautiful designs in Canva, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. So hit the like button if you have liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. To see you in the next video. Bye bye.